How to view page banned people and pages on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to view page banned people and pages on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and then just click these three lines in the top corner, and now just click this one here, pages, and then select your page. And now just click this settings icon in the top corner, and then click this one and click here. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.